Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Shawnee and I are fishing again. We're both using Kitex, and we're down by the river. So it's a bit windier today, obviously. We had a little bit of rain last night, so the river's up 2 feet, which is awesome. So yeah, we'll see how the day goes. Alright, check back in with you later. Okay, so it is day 2 of fishing, and today is a Wednesday. And yeah, so I'm currently fishing in Sean's tackle box for a Kitex and jig head.
I just gave you the banner jig head. I can't talk.
And I want to give you guys a little bit of a description on that.
That's a snapping turtle skull that we found.
Yeah.
Well, I found.
Sean found.
Upriver quite a ways.
Yeah.
Me and Ethan went fishing and it was just laying there on the beach, so I picked it up. He's a mascot.
Yeah, he's our mascot.
He looks so happy!
He looks so happy! So yeah, that's the description of him. So, hey guys, so Sean's got a fish on. And it's a small box.
Yeah, I was impressed. I cast it and then he jumped right in front of it pretty much.
Oh, yeah?
Better not have just thrown my Kitex.
Did he say so? Okay, you want me to grab the net?
Nah, I got him right here.
Okay.
He's going crazy. He just actually went underneath this rock. This little ledge. He thinks he's about to die, but he isn't. He's going back.
Yeah. There he is. Can't really see with the camera. But
yeah, it was pretty interesting. I cast it, and then he jumped right in front of it. I was like, maybe I'll catch it. And I just saw a little flash in the water.
yeah.
They already harvested. I haven't looked that great at all. I should wore a little hole. We could have easily gotten off. So, yeah, it's just a smallmouth bass. He's got a little bit of the tiger king in him. More upriver. We're gonna go back. These are the hardest fighting fish you're gonna find, pretty much.
There we go. First fish of the day. Okay, I'm attempting to film and catch a fish at the same time. No, it's just a smallmouth. Small. Actually pretty small. It's about the same size as yours.
12 inches?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see him from here.
Here, would you mind taking the camera?
Give me a second.
One.
You're funny.
I know. Okay.
Alright, guys, so, is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
Don't click the zoom button this time, bro. Ready? No, don't jump. Okay, well, there you go.
Self-release.
Yeah, self-release. That's what we call that. Technically, he did count though.
If you look real close, you might be able to see him.
Yeah, but probably with the glare, you won't be able to.
Yeah, it's kind of windy. So anyways, yeah, Heather hooked him, and she was bringing him up the shore, and he just got off the hook. That's one of the bad things about jig heads. You will lose fish.
Yeah. Kind of stinks sometimes.
They work great.
Yeah.
We don't mind because it was just a smallmouth.
Yeah.
Or we were just going to release him anyways. It wasn't huge, so.
Yeah.
Anyways, okay.
Second fish of the day. Yep. Alright. Okay, guys, so Sean's winning. He just caught a chub.
We keep these guys for dog food. There's so many of them in the river.
Yeah.
That you don't hurt the population at all, even if you keep like 2 or 3 a day.
Yeah. Don't let him get off. Don't let him get off. Don't let him get off. Ah!
That's why you net them.
Yeah.
Because I tried throwing them up on shore real quick, and he got away. Nice chub.
Yeah, that was, I see.
Alright.
Okay, kids, take a lesson from us. Use a net.
Yeah, I tried throwing him up on shore real quick, and then he got off, and I tried grabbing a hold of him.
Yeah.
Anyways, that would have been dog food.
Would have been. But apparently,
lay him out, and then I cook him up, and we give him to the dogs like that.
Yeah.
So, whatever. Next time we catch him, we'll let him for sure.
Yeah.
I just thought I could throw him up on shore so Howard didn't need to run back from that.
Yeah.
But I was wrong, so from now on we'll just start netting them.
Yeah. So use a net.
Yeah, the difference difference in fighting them, you will see if, the fight of us fighting them, reeling them in. Chubs, they're really just, they come in really easy.
Versus smallmouth, they'll jump, fight
around and try and run. Alright, so anyways, see you back a little bit.
Yep.
Back.
Okay, this is for you hunters out there. We're down by the river, and this is a turkey track. Daisy stepped. Oh no! So there's one right there, and then there was another one there, but Daisy stepped on it. So,
They're very defined.
yeah. Okay, Sean just caught another fish.
Not another.
Well, we came back later in the day. Another smallie. And another smallmouth actually followed this guy in, so Ethan's trying to catch him now.
So Ethan's trying to catch that guy now.
Yeah.
Yeah, these guys are pretty easy to fish for as long as you are in a decent spot.
Yeah. Hold him up.
He's 12.
Yeah. Nice. And he's gone.
What is it?
Okay, Ethan's got a fish on.
What's it feel like? Molly.
Smallie. Got the net. Where is he? Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is.
That was probably the one I saw follow this guy.
Come on, him. See him? He is right there.
Yeah, that's the same one I saw a minute ago.
Nice. Come. There you go. So Sean and Ethan both caught theirs on a Kitek and jig head.
The pilots work good, except, well, you killed him after a while.
There we go, he's gone.
Don't try it.
Ethan just caught a chub. Sean just ran through mud.
Thanks, buddy.
Oh.
Daisy food, and that was convenient.
I told you because I lost one just like that this morning.
Yeah.
Get him over here.
Yeah, away from the water. Sean lost a chub this morning because he didn't grab a net. Okay. Okay.
Sean's got one.
I've got one. Oh boy.
I got him.
Okay.
No videotape.
Alright. Sean's gonna fish. Sean's gonna fish. Okay. Bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him in. Daisy, hi. Daisy. Just surfaced.
I think it's a nice smallmouth.
Smallmouth? Whoa. Come on, reel him in. Daisy.
Nice volley.
Nice!
You might catch the most, but I'm catching the biggest, boy.
Nice, look at that one.
Probably the 16-incher I caught the other day.
Nice.
Nice fat
Smallmouth.
one.
Yeah. He's gonna hook you. Yep, same one.
How do you know?
Look at the belly! Remember the belly on the other one? Shh, Daisy. Nice fish. Nice.
Yeah, he's 14.
Maybe 15.
He's 14.
Nice. Pull him over to the side.
Got one heck of a belly here. Hold that.
Yeah.
So.
Nice.
Did you even tape Ethan's tiny one?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah, I started
film?
taping it, and then you said you had a fish on.
No, the other one before that.
No.
No, you didn't even tape it?
No, you couldn't even get that on film. I ran over to get the net.
Back up, Daisy.
Daisy.
You can't swim away with my son, pal. And he's
There he
gone.
goes. Okay, so Ethan just caught another chub. I couldn't get it on film because I was grabbing the net. Guys, this is Ethan's. This is Ethan's fifth fish. So,
Ethan's smoking it.
yeah, Ethan's smoking us all. So,
She's just howling. She's
she likes
excited.
it. So,
Quiet.
yeah, something to say. Hey guys, thank you for watching this YouTube video. Just a little recap. We caught 2 smallmouth and 1 chub. It was a decent day. We're going to pack it up, and we might come back down here, but it kind of looks like it's going to rain, so I don't really know what we're going to do. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Comment down below.